sell this communal land.
Even to buy.
Even to buy, yes. Because the land, the customary land tenure belongs to the living dead ancestors who are buried here, and then the yet unborn children. Even in 1,000 years coming to Uganda here, the land belongs to them. Thank you.
Advancing arguments that they genuinely bought those lands. But the executive order says that those who claim to have bought land from so and so, the problem, however, is that land in the north is communally owned for most of the time. With such land, nobody can legally sell it to anybody without the permission of the clan or family. So these sales are therefore null and void.
Yes.
This is in the presidential executive order. So I think that one can partly answer your question on claims being put across. So you can do more research on this executive order. Thank you.
Betty? In this case, people would have just appreciated. If anything, an order is an order. It is supposed to be implemented as ordered. And I would even like to appeal to those trying to appeal, to reappeal, and trying to put their request forward. An order, you can't put a request forward. It should be implemented as stated. So this is my humble appeal to those who are trying to convene meetings and who are even trying to disturb the president. I think I would like just to, in this regard, I would like to appreciate what His Excellency the President has done. If anything, is trying to bail us from some of these other controversy which may arise again in future. This is my brief submission.
Additional to that, in the Constitution of Uganda, the President is the fountain of honor. He takes precedent. Nobody can challenge his order. Presidential order remains presidential order. Thank you.
Can I go to put a question to you?
To Mufti, Northern Uganda, and Vice Chairman Acholi.
Can I put a question to you?